Hi everyone, and thank you for watching Certified Supplier Initiative Ningbo Factory Tour. I am your host, William D. Frazier. Certified Supplier Initiative was launched by China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. We evaluate toy and baby product manufacturers based on 5 criteria: product safety, safety insurance, specified standards, self-export capability, and social responsibility to help you find the more qualified business partner in China. Today, we're in Ningbo. Ningbo is one of the largest hubs in China for baby products such as high chairs, strollers, toys, and other items. Today, we're going to visit Mamibao, better known as My Baby Group, to visit and understand how they better operate. Let's go check them out. Ningbo Mamibao Baby Products Manufacturing Company was established in 1984. It is located in Hangzhou Bay New Area, at the southern end of Hangzhou Bay Bridge. The company has a registered capital of $10.8 million and has occupied more than 400 mu area of working space. It is an export-oriented company that specializes in research and design, export, product development, manufacturing, and sales. During all this time, they have over 100 series of products they have produced for the global market. Products such as game beds, car safety seats, dining chairs, and baby strollers. It has its own brand, Mamibao, AMORHOME, pouch, and MICLASSIC. As a well-known established company, they are able to exceed all expectations on the global market as far as baby, children products. Inside of Ningbo's Mamibao showroom. Certified Supplier Initiative put great emphasis on making sure the manufacturers provide quality products that meet international standards. Some of the featured products here we're going to talk about are some of the high chairs, the baby bed, the bicycle, or even perhaps the strollers. But we're going to focus on 4 main products to give you a better illustration of Mamibao's capability. Here in Mamibao showroom, one of the featured products is the baby stroller. This is the AM6652 tri-wing baby stroller. This has been made according to European US standards. It has 4 shock absorber wheels here to take in the impact when you're going on a rough road or off-road with the child. It has a very sturdy handle here that's very supportive to make sure that it stays intact, and it's very useful. I like the color of the design here. The pattern is very useful and very environmental friendly. It's kind of green, I kind of like that. We have another product that we want to feature here at Mamibao. This is the AS07 series, the Phoenix Baby Stroller. This has a very unique function here. It actually has a 3D canopy here. So you can see how it comes down in 3D format, and it has a rotation of 360 degrees. But as you rotate it, you will notice in the back there, you have two zippers. And if you zip it up, you can see that it opens up where you have an additional area here for ventilation. So you can easily roll up this part, clamp it down here. So there's constant circulation for the child to have better breathing, fresh air all the time, the Phoenix. Now we want to talk about the Q86. These are baby car seats that Mamibao has produced throughout the years. You have two colors here. You have the black color here, and then you have the red color. The international big name, same factory, and same paragraph. ECE plus CCW certification. Seat form and air switching, 3rd gear adjustment. Headrest 13 gear adjustment height. The seat can be separated from the base, making installation easier. The energy absorption effect of the whole body EPP material is 2 times that of general EPS. So you see here at showroom at Mamibao that they have some great featured products that are very suitable for the international market. Another one of the featured product is the AB01 series. This particular model here has a low capacity of 15 kilos or 33 pounds for the child. Also, it has been tested over 125 miles or 200,000 kilos to make sure it stays really intact and safety for the child. It was made according to European standards, international standards that is, and it's very useful when you don't want to have a canopy or anything like that for the child. Through Certified Supplier Initiative with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, Mamibao has met many international testing standards as well as quality management standards. Some of the testing standards they have met is the ASTM F2194 and the EN 1888. Now you want to talk about certification. They have achieved certifications such as the Quality Management System Certificate, the ISO 9001-2015. They also have the Occupational Health Certificate here with the ISO 45001-2018. They also have achieved the Environmental Management Certificate, such as with the ISO 14001-2015. And they also have achieved the CMS certification here with the ISO 10012-2003. So you can see that Mamibao has maintained the quality workmanship that they have succeeded since 1984 with their testing standards as well as the international quality management system. As part of the social responsibility with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, we now are inside Mamibao's canteen. They provide delicious meals to the employees on a daily basis. Here you have the capability of feeding at least 400 employees at one time, delicious meal. So Mamibao takes very seriously about the care of their employees to make sure that they have the proper nutrition and have a happy home environment wherever they are within the company. Now we're outside of Mamibao dormitory area. This is a very large company. Like I said before, they have over 400 mu of working area. And within that 400 mu, they have at least 8 dormitories where they have the capacity to house 1,700 employees. Now, each of these dormitory rooms, they have the showers, they have air conditioners, they have the capacity with the USB, as far as getting access to the internet. So you can see, as part of the social responsibility with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association, Mamibao definitely has exceeded all expectations when they provide a quality living environment for their employees with 8 buildings that house over 1,700 employees. Here I am with Kiki. She's the she's part of the international sales team here at Mamibao. Kiki, I have a couple of questions I would like to ask you. When was Mamibao established?
In 1984, we rented a house to set up a mold factory, upgraded to a presidential mold factory in 1987, transformed and manufactured baby carriages in 1994, moved our headquarters to a new factory in Hangzhou Bay New Area in 2006, opened a new production base with 150 more of land expansion in 2016, and planned to build Mamibao Dream City in the next 5 years. It will build 100 more of land to build a national level research and development, an international supply chain, and a national level inspection, Mamibao 大学, and the baby living lab.
Oh, very interesting. So with all of that, what is the corporate culture of your company?
Our mission is, while purchasing the material and the spiritual happiness of all the staff, we will make contributions to the happiness and the well-being of pregnant and baby in the world. And our vision is to be a respected enterprise.
Oh, thank you very much for your time. So here we want to again invite you to come and contact Mamibao directly, or you could contact us here at China Toy Product Association if you want to know more about their products.